What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at 92 cents, down 0.25 on the day. Seeing a market cap of exactly 8 billion, 24-hour volume, 425 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up to $30,000 in bonuses. You can check out my full length tutorial, link in the description. If you make your first deposit, email me your sign-up email, and I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. So let's hop into the charts. So we've completed our ABC correction. So technically, we can start to come down in a wave 3. But I think what Bitcoin's going to do, let me pull back over to the hourly, is just pull back a little bit before seeing continuation to the upside. So in that case, Matic would most likely follow suit. So I may have to do a bit of a recount. So we may see an impulsive move to the upside where this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2 pullback. We're looking at a wave 3, wave 4, and push up in a wave 5. And that could still be the completion of the wave C. Actually, I have to be careful here. It can't break that high. Yeah, so if it were to come up and break 0.097, it would invalidate this as a wave 1 going into a wave 2 of the larger wave 3 because we broke the high of the wave 1. So we'll have to see how that plays out. We'd have to look at some sort of 5-wave impulse and a little bit of a recount here for Matic. But to simplify things here, on the daily chart, we did push back above the EMAs. I said, look, we may see a push back above the EMAs. We're just about to have the bearish cross. So if Matic can hold the EMAs here on the daily, we could see a push a little bit higher. That major resistance to watch here is at about 95 cents. And then your next level of resistance here is in between about $1.03 to about $1.09 for the price of Matic. So we'll have to see how it plays out here. We're currently finding resistance at the point of control. On the volume indicator here on the daily time frame, actually looks like we're just above it a little bit here. So we'll see what happens, because what I think is going to happen is Bitcoin's pulling back and then it's going to bounce and see continuation to the upside. And then Matic will continue, and if it breaks that high, we'll have to look at a recount. But probably what you're going to see here for the price of Matic, if we do continue to push up, is we get rejected by this rising wedge, and then we see that continuation to the downside. We'll see how it plays out here. If Bitcoin were just to come down and shit the bed, then of course Matic can come down for that wave 3 target, but I don't think that's the likely scenario for Bitcoin. So what we might see here for the prices of Matic is to push up and retest this upsloping resistance level. In the previous bottom here, you can see we had support, support once again, support, support. We broke it, resistance, and now it will act as resistance once again for the price of Matic. So I do think that's likely. That's sitting at about $1.13. If we see continuation for the price of BTC. But overall, I just have to look at a recount here, because I do think you're still going to come down to the 40 to 50 cent range, in my opinion. We'll see how everything plays out. All right, guys, make sure to sign up to Bybit. Grab those bonuses up to 30K. Make your first deposit, and then email me your sign-up email or BitGet, whichever you would like, and I'll give you free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals, which can help you along with your trading journey. And that you can sign up through the Patreon, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.